Imagine you're a student trying to get an A in class. You can talk to past students for the inside scoop, but the advice isn't always that accurate. So what if instead you could just go online and find out how you can succeed by looking at what previous students did to get an A? I'm Eric Ronda, and I'm working to develop a way to predict your grade before you finish class. So how does it work? By taking student clickstreams from a virtual learning environment, it is possible to represent these as a higher order network, a new type of network that can fit an entire sequence into a single data point called a node. These sequences of URLs are likely to reveal far more information than a number of clicks alone. So, to draw out the most prominent sequences within a dataset, machine learning algorithms were applied. Notably, the algorithm Predictive is able to help us draw a variety of conclusions. Here, you see the higher order network represented as a system of nodes and edges, also known as the force-directed diagram. Predictive was able to pick out nodes and group them together based on the roles they play and differentiate them by color. The big nodes are the ones that are visited more often, such as school homepages, and the smaller ones may be one-time events, such as a required video. That representation helps us to see how these sequences interact, but to see a more detailed view of those sequences, we move to the Sunburst Diagram. This diagram is radial, and each section corresponds to a specific point in the sequence. By reading from the center outwards, a sequence can be selected. This diagram also has a zoom-in feature for clarity. To tie it together, the Sankey Diagram, a form of flowchart, is good at laying out the connections between groups. In this case, each sequence on the left corresponds to a grade distribution on the right, where each distribution is determined through neural networking. By following a sequence that has led to an A in the past, I should be able to tell you how likely it is to get that A in the future. Thank you.